Hi guys, welcome back to today's tutorial on how to cut a simple gown for a 3-year-old. Already this fabric has been cut according to the measurement of the child, the length measurement. So let's get started already. So we're going to take the shoulder measurement, which is 5 inches, and then the armhole measurement 5 inches also. Then we'll go ahead and connect the lines and make the armhole curve. Then for the chest measurement, we are taking 7.5, and for the neck width, we are taking 2.5. Then for the depth, we are taking 2.5 too, and then we'll go ahead to connect it just like so. Always remember to take out 1/2 inch on the shoulder slants, so that the dress will sit well on the shoulder. Then we'll go ahead to draw this chest line all the way down, but in a slant form, because the dress is not a tight fitted dress. Then we'll go ahead and cut out all our markings. And after cutting that out, we're going to go ahead to trim the down part of the dress just to give it a better shape, just like so. Now we'll go ahead to open up the fabric. This is the front piece. Then we'll divide the front piece into two, just like so. We just cut it into two, so we'll be able to attach the plain color that we need to attach. The plain color fabric, sorry. So now we've already gone ahead to cut this fabric. It has to be the exact length with the main fabric, but in this case I didn't do it that way because I intend to trim it out when I'm done. Then for the width, I took 6 inches here, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and place it like so, and then sew it all the way down. Then take the other part, still the front, place it like so, sew it all the way down, just like so. And for the back, because we are going to put a loop for button, so we'll go ahead to cut a little, as you can see, just like so. And now we're done sewing the front the plain fabric to the main fabric. We are done attaching the plain fabric to the main fabric, so we'll go ahead and divide that plain fabric into two. Then we'll pick it and place it there in the middle where we marked, and sew it all the way down. We're going to do that to both sides, just like that, and then sew it. Now we're done sewing. This is what we have. So after sewing it, we'll go ahead to join the shoulders. Now we're done joining the shoulder, and so the next thing we're going to do is to sew around the neck using a piece of the fabric, just like so. The neck and the armhole, we are also going to sew that loop where we are going to be attaching our button. So now we're done. That's what we have. So go ahead to join the sides, just like so. We'll join it all the way down, and after joining, this is what we have. So go ahead to bend the edge of the fabric, and now this is it. And after that, we'll go ahead and attach our bow, and that's what we have. That's it, guys. As simple as that. Thanks for watching. Bye.